Hello again, this is me, Ashana. We have another job for interview. This is an office job. The job description will be administrative, planning, and interpretation. So we are looking for 2 people for this, and the job location is in Chiyoda Ward in Tokyo. The salary for this starts from 225,000 yen up, and there is a bonus also. The level of Japanese for this is at least business level or at least N2 level. So if you are willing to apply for this office job, this is going for interview tomorrow, Friday, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply, you can comment down below, or you can also call our office address at 0362068058. Again, our office number is 0362068058, and my name is Ashana. Thank you.